Today, I'm in a popular residential area of Blackbrook. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this 2-bedroom, semi-detached home, complete with a low-maintenance private rear garden and offered to the market with the added convenience of no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.